Good morning, my name is Mike Henson. I'm the paving specialist for Quinn Cat here in Southern California. Today I wanted to go over some specs and an overview of one of our most popular small pavers is the P385 Weiler. It's basically designed to do small commercial parking lots such as your malls, Home Depot, Lowe's, that type of stuff, all the way down to your really small driveways and residential work. Just to start on this end is the 3/8 inch heavy duty hopper. It's 9-ton capacity, which feeds your dual chain system, which are variable speed independent of each other. You can control one or the other. That gives you the option of actually paving half the machine versus the other half. Is the reason you can run them independent. It has a oscillating push bar for pushing trucks. And I've seen this paver push, all the way up to 25 tons of truck in front of it. Work our way in back this way. It has a 12K generator, which is cycled in and out on a timer. If you cut it on or turn it on, it heats up your screed. That's what all your orange wires would be the heat, electric heat for your screed. It takes about 20 minutes to heat your screed up to a temperature of a set point of 300 degrees. Coming back, it has your 12-inch cast augers on it with clamshells up under it. This enables you to cut your material off, but also feed out to the end of your extensions as you need it. The screed itself is an 8-foot by 15'9", completely stretched out machine. It allows you to run it in as tight as 8 foot and then run it out as wide as 15'9". You have your adjustment screws for your mat thickness. Also your toe points are hydraulic to run up and down. This particular machine has hydraulic slope and hydraulic crown on it. You can get them either way, just depends on what your crew's set up for. Another great feature is it has 3 points of operation. You can operate it from here for visibility. You can operate it from the seat, depending on how your crew wants to pursue the day. You can also take that seat and place it over here and run it on either side. It's a really good feature on this machine. Like I said, you have automatic crown. The screed itself is about 3,700 pounds, which gives you a great compaction on your mat. The complete tractor is about 20,500. It's really heavy duty. A lot of it comes from the heavy steel and the undercarriage of the machine. All right, so working our way around to the left side of the machine, you'll get a good view of the full extension, your end gates, your 12-inch cast augers, which, like I said earlier, enables you to run half the machine at one time. You can cut your clamshell gates off on either side, leave the other side open, and it'll allow you to pave 4 to 8 foot on one side of the machine instead of having to run the whole machine in case you had like a 4-foot patch down the middle of the road. Another good feature is your sonic sensors, your feed sensors. They're controlled any of the operator stations. You control the pile height, which is very critical in paving. You don't want to be putting a lot of asphalt up here or too low. You want to keep the same head of material all to allow for smoothness. And that's what this sensor does. Fully automatic on both sides. Keeps your auger spinning and keeps the right flow to your material out to your end gate. This machine has heated end gates all the way out to the very end, which is another great feature. A lot of machines don't offer that. Coming into here, we have our serviceability pump package, valves. As you can see, everything's labeled. Everything's accessible from this compartment. Be great for a mechanic to just be right here and have to do anything he needs to do right in here. Another feature of Weiler is they do label all your hoses, all your wires, so you know what is going to what. From there, we'll go down to the undercarriage. One of the most heavy-duty undercarriages on the market. You have a composite rubber track pad, which gives you great life and tractive effort when you come into pushing a heavy truck. So, like I said, this is a very good paver for our industry, for our location. You have a lot of commercial guys that really run this machine. It's big enough to push the truck, but it's yet small enough to maneuver in tight spots. So that's about my take on it, and hope that was helpful. Thank you.